Kitchen 101. Here are a couple of clever, time-saving kitchen hacks that only require a drinking straw. Idea number 1, hulling strawberries. Place a straw at the bottom of the strawberry and gently push it towards the top. The leaves and stalk should pop out in one push, quick and easy. Idea number 2, vacuum sealing. First, press as much air out of the freezer storage bag as possible by hand. Then insert a straw in a corner of the bag and seal the bag around it. Suck the air out through the straw until you see the bag collapse around its contents. Then, while still maintaining suction, slowly pull out the straw and quickly seal the rest of the bag. You've just eliminated the excess air that leads to ice crystal buildup that can alter the look and taste of your produce. See you next time!